Monday, 28th of December. There's a localised cell to the southwest, sweeping across Nimble. Very unpredictable cell. Not sure what it's doing. As you can see, Mount Nimble there's the house. Just starting to move across there now. Big squall line. Hard to track this particular one. Looking to the southwest, and it is raining on that hill just there, through there.
Dad, is that a war cloud?
It's the squall line.
Awful. Would it tell you? Look at the squall line. Yes.
As you can see, Mount Nimble's been sliced in half, so to speak. A few big drops just starting to fall currently. As you can see, just after 4 o'clock, 4 past 4, and it's just starting now. Possible hail, but we can't tell at this stage. Large droplet size is falling.
Whoa!
And a few lightning bolts, obviously, as well.
And big bombs and heavy, big drops. No.
Yes, this is right.
That's 3 more drops. The plants will have a yellow slip.
Yes. Look out, here we go. Here we go. Get inside, kids. Quick, in. So this might be quite tropical, torrential tropical, meaning very intense rainfall. Still coming over that ridge over there. Looking towards Mum and Dad's.
It is.
Clear, but I'd say it's going to head up that way. Down by the movement.
No hail.
Yeah, we're lucky. Lucky.
No.
I think we'll be right. Doesn't look like there's going to be hail. I think we're safe. Very humid still. Yeah. Whoa, wait for it. Wait for it. There's a bright flash. Still still bucketing down. Oh, that was a bright flash, that one. Whoa! Did I get that one on film? I hope it went on film. We're going to black out. We just got blacked out. Must have been that fault that I just captured. Yeah, I know. Must have been that fault I just captured. Now it's come back on. Oh, some lightning strikes. Yeah. That's right.
That's hail.
No, it's not hail.
Heavy rain and a bit of wind.
Yeah.
It's not even wind. Yeah, wind.
We're lucky.
Just knocking. It's like in the window. Not in school. Hi, Dad. So that was fine.
I missed the